Toyota predicts 80% of GR Corolla buyers to choose manual over automatic. Apparently, even with Toyota's fancy new automatic and launch control, drivers still prefer to row their own gears. The rally-inspired version of the Corolla is one of the few performance cars offered in both manual and automatic. The hot hatch's new automatic transmission includes a launch control function and makes the car slightly quicker overall. Even with the automatic option, Toyota anticipates most buyers will stick with the engaging 6-speed manual gearbox. The 2025 Toyota GR Corolla has touched down on U.S. shores and, for the first time ever, is available with an 8-speed automatic transmission. While some might have assumed that the automatic would capture a significant share of buyers, Toyota doesn't seem to think so. The brand expects the majority of buyers will still gravitate towards the 6-speed manual, sticking to what made the GR Corolla a favorite among enthusiasts in the first place. Toyota refers to the GR Corolla's new 8-speed as a direct automatic transmission, DAT, and claims that, unlike the autos found in the GR Supra and GR86, it doesn't base shifts on deceleration G-forces and speed but rather senses brake and accelerator inputs to make the perfect change. The automatic also brings with it a launch control system that's not found in the manual. While recently speaking with CarBuzz at the launch of the 2025 GR Corolla, a Toyota spokesperson revealed that around 80% of U.S. buyers are still expected to opt for the 6-speed manual. Not even the introduction of launch control or the convenience of the new automatic transmission appears enough to sway most buyers from sticking with a clutch pedal. Evidently, those buying the GR Corolla are keen driving enthusiasts who want the purest experience possible. A handful of other hot hatches/sedans are offered with manual and automatic transmission options, including the Subaru WRX, Hyundai Elantra N, and VW Golf GTI. There's plenty more to like about the 2025 GR Corolla than the two transmission options. Power continues to come from a 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder, and it still produces 300 horsepower, but Toyota's engineers have managed to boost torque from 273 lb-ft to 295 lb-ft, 400 Nm. Handling has also been refined, thanks to new rebound springs and adjustments to the rear coils and stabilizers. And let's not forget, all models now come standard with front and rear torsion limited slip differentials, ensuring that power gets down to the pavement in a properly controlled manner. Pricing for the 2025 GR Corolla starts at $39,995 for the core model, including a $1,135 destination fee, reflecting a $2,360 increase over last year. However, this price hike brings additional standard features, including a JBL sound system and other enhancements. If you're eyeing the new 8-speed automatic transmission, it will add $2,000 to the sticker. Toyota has also streamlined the lineup by discontinuing the Circuit Edition, further focusing the range on core driving enthusiasts.